amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Akron, Worcester, Millersburg, Barberton, Wadsworth, Orville, Berlin, Richmond, Doylestown, Dalton, Kilmuck, Holmesville, Northern, Smithville, Clinton, Apple Creek, Marshallville, Fredericksburg, Rockville, and China. People attending Holmes County Fair should seek shelter immediately. Turn around on the driveway encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeat, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday for the following counties in Ohio. Holmes.
At the hand of a preached black self-determination and clean living, and sometimes